Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked in the year 2023. The integer value printed by the ANSI C program given below is okay. Here they have given one function, func p, and there is a main method, right? You know, C program is going to start from execution from the main method, and here they have declared two variables. One is x, another one is y. Okay, fine. So the immediate statement is calling function. So cursor will comes to here, and whatever result that is returned by this function is going to store in x variable. Right here there is a local variable called x initialized with a value 1, and this is static variable. Okay, meaning that memory is going to be created for only once, and it cannot be destroyed when the function terminates. So then this value going to be incremented by 1, that is x plus 1 is 1, that is 2. That value will be returned to here. So 2 is going to be stored in the x variable. Next function is again a function calling. If you call the function, the same old x variable 2 will be as usual, and that will be incremented by 1, that is 3, and that value will be returned to here. In this place it is going to return 3. 3 plus the current value of x is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 will be stored here, and they are trying to print f percentage d comma x plus y, that is 7. So the answer for this question is 7. It is very simple. I hope understood clearly. Thank you.